This video is going to show how to play solid and broken triads hands together. Now we already know with individual hands that the right hand uses finger 2 on the first inversion. Right here. Again. Left hand uses finger 2 on the second inversion. Right here. Again. So for hands together, I'm going to out loud say the name of the hand that is using finger 2. So I will be saying the words right, left, left, right. Here's how it goes. Right. Here's my right hand playing with 2. Left. Here's my left hand playing with 2. Left. Right. Again. Right. Left. Left, right. Notice how I say the name of the hand that plays finger 2 just before I play it. Here's how it works in broken.